Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. First and foremost, I'd like to express my condolences to any individuals that were affected by Hurricane Helene. This hurricane has devastated many states and counties, and I wanted to do a video informing renters, homeowners, and business owners that they are entitled to a low-interest SBA disaster loan due to this hurricane. Now you would go to lending.sba.gov to see if your state and county is eligible for this loan. So once you get to this website, lending.sba.gov, you would scroll down and click Search Disaster Declarations. Once you get here, do not enter in your state and county. Just click View All Disaster Declarations, and you will see multiple disaster declarations for the tropical storm Helene. There's one in Tennessee, South Carolina, Virginia, North Carolina, multiple in North Carolina, Georgia, Florida, and there are also disaster declarations in other states for other disasters such as Hurricane Francine, but today we're focusing on the tropical storm Helene. But if you are looking for disaster loans in your area, just follow that same procedure and scroll down if your state and county is eligible. Keep in mind, you guys, these disaster loans have expiration dates. So if I select Tropical Storm Helene disaster in Tennessee, click select here, and you will see what counties are eligible. There are primary counties that are eligible for this low interest disaster loan, and there are also contiguous counties, which are counties in that area that is also eligible for these low interest disaster loans. And when I say low interest loans, they are as low as 2.5% interest. And once you receive your funds, you do not have to make your first payment until 12 months later after receiving your funds. That's what sets this loan apart from other loans. Now, for homeowners and renters, the deadline you should focus on is for physical damage. So any damage to your physical property, if you own your real estate, that means any damage to your physical possessions. It can be decorations, it can be your laptops, your computers, your furniture, etc. The more damage you report, the more funds you can get. Now, for business owners, you focus on two deadlines: physical damage and economic injury. Business owners are entitled to two loans when it comes to these disaster loans. So they can get a low interest loan for any physical damage and for economic injury. And economic injury is any loss of revenue. So if this disaster caused your business operations to be halted, or if you lost customers due to that storm, you are entitled to economic injury as a business owner. Now, I left links down below on how to create a login for this site. That is the only way you can apply. You have to register for the My SBA portal site, which is lending.sba.gov. I've also left links on how renters and homeowners can apply for the physical damage application, and also how business owners can apply for both economic injury and physical damage. Now, keep in mind, you guys, once you've completed the application, be sure to log back in and check your messages, because they will send you a loss verification questionnaire, and I'll show you that. So once you sign in, so once you've completed your loan application, which I showed you how in the video links I left down below, be sure to go to your messages in your loan portal and see the message where it asks you it is time to upload your tax documents. So be sure to do that, because they give you a deadline to upload these documents. And also, it'll say it is time to complete your loss verification questionnaire. And be sure to do that within the deadline. It's very simple, you guys. If you have any questions, I do free consultation calls where I help with SBA disaster loans, credit counseling, and how to start a business. Good luck, you guys. Peace.